So this is a final code walkthrough for the example file MethodsStillMoreEfficient.java. Let's open this up and take a look. This file is a final iterative improvement on the prior two examples. Notice that in the main method now, we have a single variable for radius that we're reusing multiple times, and we've reduced all of the prior code to one method call displayCircle. And notice how lean and clean this has made this main method. So let's scroll down here and take a look at this displayCircle. If provided a radius, this method will turn around and call the existing method calculateArea with that radius to calculate an area and return it to this variable area. And then it will take the radius and the area and display it out internally within this method. So what we have here is a couple of nested method calls. The main client program calls this method, and this method in turn calls this method. So let's see how this executes. I'm going to compile this. Again, I'm going to set a breakpoint on main and start single stepping through with a debugger. And notice that we're setting a radius, we're calling displayCircle with that radius, and the displayCircle method internally calculates the area and displays the radius and area, just as we saw. We can do that again for a different radius and a different radius. And this time, let's step into the method and trace through the path of execution. So we'll single step, and now we're going to click the bent arrow and we're going to go down the rabbit hole into displayCircle. So watch what happens. All of a sudden we're starting from the main method. Now we're inside displayCircle, and we're going to click the bent arrow again, and notice we've tunneled down one more level to calculate area. So now we're calculating the area, returning it to displayCircle. Then displayCircle is taking that area and displaying the radius that it was provided along with the area that was just calculated. And when it's done, it's going to leap back to where it started from in the main method. Let's go through that again a little faster. Single step down into displayCircle, into calculate area. We'll calculate the area and return it, and then we'll take the area and the radius and display it, which we see here, and then we'll go back to where we started from. So this is a nice example of nesting methods, and it emphasizes the point that methods should really be very tight and focused and single purpose.